Hello buddies, welcome back to another delectable recipe, one of my best-selling fish pie recipe. Believe me, you're going to love this recipe. So to start this, you have to first boil the fish or cook the fish separately without any seasoning or salt. Just cook the fish separately. Then you're going to shred the fish just as you see in the video and add into a pot. Then you go in with blended fresh pepper. Okay, then it's going to be a mixture of hot pepper and sweet pepper. Then you add in some dry pepper powder, then add in some nutmeg powder. You go in with some turmeric powder. Then you're going to add in your curry powder. Go in with some curry powder. Then add ginger and garlic powder. You can also use ginger and garlic paste for this. Then you add in some cooking thyme, and you're going to also add in some fish seasoning. Next, you're going to be adding some dark soy sauce, and again you're going to be adding some chopped onions. Okay, then lastly you add in some vegetable oil into the pot. So next you add in some salt. Okay, now once you are done adding this, you're going to add your seasoning powder. You can use chicken seasoning or you can use beef seasoning. So once you don't add in all those, you place this on a medium heat and you start stirring this on the medium heat. Okay, so after stirring for some seconds, you're going to have your fish this way. Now you'll be adding the fish broth or the water from the cooked fish, the fish that you boiled earlier. The water from the fish, you're going to be adding it. Add some of it, not that you're going to add too much, just some of it, and then let this cook a few seconds. Then you go in with your shredded carrot, stir it for some seconds, just about like a minute or so, and you are done. Now you take down this your pot from heat. While it is still hot, you add in some ketchup and mayonnaise. Now once you're done adding that, you're going to stir this completely to combine. This is one of my best selling fish pie recipes. I have a lot of fish pie videos, but this is one of them. So you can see I'm just sharing for you guys to boost your business. Yes, so once you are done, go ahead and make your short cross pastry. I shared a video earlier on how you can make short cross pastry on your own, so you can check out that video. So once you are done making the short cross pastry, you're going to roll it out or then place on your empanada or meat pie or fish pie cutter. Scoop in the filling and then apply your glue or water. Then you are good to go. So you go ahead and do that for the rest or with the rest of the short cross, and you have these amazing fish pies. Next, you're going to brush this with your egg, or you do what we call egg washing. So you egg wash these pies thoroughly, and make sure that while doing all this your oven is preheating already. Okay, now you're going to transfer this into your preheated oven. Once they are ready, you transfer into your preheated oven and bake at 150 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, or according to your oven temperature. I always say according to your oven temperature because your oven may work differently from mine. Yes, you may be expecting me to bust this open. No, because this is for sale. I'm not going to open any, but try it. You're going to love it absolutely.